हरिः ओम कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलं वाल्मीकेर्मुनिसिंहस्य कवितावनचारिणः शृण्वन् रामकथानादं को न याति परां गतिं वैदेही सहितं सुरद्रुमतले हैमे महामण्टपे मध्ये पुष्पकमासने मणिमये वीरासने सुस्थितम् अग्रे वाचयति प्रपञ्चनसुते तत्त्वं मुनिभ्यः परं व्याख्यान्तं वरदादिभिः परिवृतं रामं भजे श्यामलं नमामि तं वरदाग्रजं तं पदाम्बुजं यस्य पवित्रकीर्ते मनांसि वा शीलयति श्रुतीनां वचांसि वा मत्कुलसंभवानां। नमः सभायै। आज तो षोडश कलारूप जैसा षोडश दिन है। इट इज़ द 16th day of श्री रामायण प्रवचन at the behest of the Hindu temple of Labak, and it is good Lord's sankalpa that on the शुक्ल पक्ष श्रावण एकादशी दिन विष्णु दिन में हमारे लिए एक संभ्रम, एक बढ़िया उत्सव, सीता माँ और दशरथ नंदन राम का विवाह, ये तो शुभ शुभ अवसर है, संभ्रम। सीता कल्याण वैभोग में रामा कल्याण वैभोग में पवनज स्तुति पात्र पावन चरित्र रवि सोमवर नेत्र रमणीय गात्र सीता कल्याण वैभोग में भक्तजन परिपाल भरित शरजाल भुक्ति मुक्ति दलील भूदेव पाल सीता कल्याण वैभोग में रामा कल्याण वैभोग में पामरासुर भीम परिपूर्ण काम श्याम जगदाभिराम साकेत धामा साकेत धामा सीता कल्याण वैभोग में रामा कल्याण वैभोग में। ये वैभोग तो सभी कवि, आदि कवि से सभी कवि ये वैभोग को इतना इतना श्रद्धा भक्ति भाव से मनाते हैं। सो राम तो सुंदर है। सो कंबन in Tamil says तोड़ कंडार तोड़े कंडार तोड़ुकड़ल कमलम अन्न ताड़ कंडार ताड़े कंडार तड़क्कै कंडार मध्य वाळ कंड कण्णार यारे वडिविनै मुडियக் कंडार ஊழ் कंड समयत्तन्नान उरुवु कंडारै वत्तार। So Kamban says the saundarya of Rama nobody can explain, nobody can even comprehend. If somebody is following one particular religion, to them their only philosophy and their only deity is important. Urkanda samayattannan. If somebody is following one particular dharma, to them no matter whatever it is, that is Shraddha. Shraddha Bhagasya Murdhani. Likewise, राम का स्वरूप, राम का सुंदर तो इतना इतना बहुत बहुत बढ़िया है that nobody were able to take their eyes out of Rama. So that is how Rama is walking to the Vivaha Mandapa. So where are we? We are on the important ghatta. So basically there are two things very important in Balakanda. The first one is Balakand mein 18th sarga is Rama Jananam. See how beautiful it is. 18th sarga is Rama Jananam. 1 plus 8 equal to 9. That is a Purnatvam number. Then down the line, look at the greatness of Rishis, Uski Kripa. So when did the Vivag happen? This is very important for us. The Vivag happens in 73rd Sarga. So now 9 number to 10, it becomes 10, इसका परिणाम तो 10 होता है. 9 तो पूर्ण number है. 1 times 9 is 9, 2 times 9 is 18, 1 plus 8 is 9. 3 times 9 is 27, 2 plus 7 is 9, 4 times 9 is 36, 6 plus 3 is 9, 5 times 9 is 45, 4 plus 5 is 9, 6 times 9 is 63, 7 times 9 is 63, 6 plus 3 is 9. Then 9 times 9 is 81, 1 plus 8 is 9. What comes after 9? 10. That is binary number. So 1. So in front of Brahman, in front of Lord Rama, we are all Pujyam, we are all not, we are nothing. He is the only supreme. So that is thus. Whereas Valmiki to Chamatkar Kavi hai. What does he do? He puts the Mangala Vishaya, he puts the Vivag of Sita Ma in the 73rd Sarga of Balakanda. What is 73? 7 plus 3 to 10 ban jata hai. क्यों ऐसे गुप्य में किया? क्यों he did it in a very covert fashion? क्यों ऐसा किया? ये तो 7 का बहुत बढ़िया है. वेद तो सप्त कांड है. There are सप्त ऋषि, there are सप्त कन्यास, there are in a week में हफ्ते में 7 दिन है. Similarly, there are 7 sindhus, 7 oceans, there are 7 hills. So 7 is important. And then there are 3 Swarupam, Paramatma, Jivatma और अचित. ईश्वर परमात्मा is ईश्वर, चित्त हम जैसे चित्त है और अचित है. So this Vivag is nothing but the union of Atma with Paramatma. Ma Sita to Atma, श्रेष्ठ आत्मा. That Atma is getting into its abode. हमारा abode क्या है? हमारा abode तो उसका श्री चरण है. इसीलिए he had kept it in 73rd Sarga. 7 plus 3 is 10. This 3 corresponds to Ishwara, Brahma. Then second tattva is चित्त तत्व, चेतन तत्व, हम जैसे लोग और अचेतन तत्व. सो अचेतन और चेतन तत्व का अबोर्ड, परमानेंट एटर्नल अबोर्ड इज ईश्वर, हु इज नथिंग बट नंबर 1. वी आर ऑल पूज्य, वी आर ऑल जीरो इन फ्रंट ऑफ. सो दिस इज द ग्रेटनेस ऑफ वाल्मीकि रामायण. 2 इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स इन बालकांड. प्रथम तो राम का जननम, which is in the 18th sarga. Watch this. And the second one is आत्मा को परमात्मा से मिलन. That is हमारा स्वरूप, हमारा आत्मा का स्वरूप क्या है? उसका कैंकर्य, उसका मिलन. Right? So that is nothing but, so he talks about the 3 types of swarupas. ईश्वर तत्व, चित्त तत्व, अचित्त तत्व. दिस सब तो उसके साथ मिलन होना चाहिए. वही हमारा गति, परम गति. यही विवाह का तात्पर्य. दिस इज द एसेंस ऑफ सीता माँ का विवाह. दैट इज वाल्मीकि एक सर्ग, एक शब्द में इतना गंभीर है. दैट इज द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ वाल्मीकि रामायण. इज नॉट ओनली अ भक्ति टेक्स्ट, इट इज अ फिलोसॉफिकल टेक्स्ट, इट इज अ पोएट्री. मोर देन एनीथिंग एल्स, इट इज आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग. सीता कल्याण वैभोगम. So that is what we are going to see today. Now, Manu Prajapatihi Purvam Ikshakuscha Manosutah tam Ikshvakum Ayodhyayam Rajanam Vidhi Purvakam. So the Raja in the Surya dynasty who ruled was Ikshvaku. Manuhu Prajapatihi Purvam Ikshvakuscha Manosutah tam Ikshvakum Ayodhyayam Rajanam Vidhi Purvakam. From Ikshvaku all the way up to Dasaratha, there were right from Vishnu, there were 39 Rajas, including Mahavishnu. And Rama is 40th in lineage. Nabhagasya Napta Ajamaharajasya Pautra Dasarada Rajasya Putraha Rama. रामा तो अभी तक वो ब्रह्मचारी है, आज तो वो गृहस्थाश्रम धर्म स्वीकार करेंगे. सो देन रामा वाज वॉकिंग डाउन दैट. So first day when Dasaratha arrived, the introduction about the Dasaratha's lineage was done by Vasishtha. Now it's a turn, because they wanted to talk good about how our forefathers, ancestors have done good. So now Janaka's turn. So what is Janaka going to say? Janaka is going to say that we belong to Chandravamsha and Sita Ma is 24th in that lineage. So Janaka talks about his lineage, his dynasty. Nimi miti Janaka pratamaha udavasu nandivardhanaha suketuhu devarataha brigadrataha mahaviryaha sudrutihi drishtaketuhu arshasva maruhu pratindhaka kirtiratha dramida vibhuda mahindraka kirtiratha Mahoroma Swarnaroma Graswaroma Dasarada Vaswaroma Janakaha Kushatvajaha Sita Urmila Mandodari Sutakirti. So in the 72nd Sarga, Valmiki emphasizes the lineage of Sita. So Sita is 24th in the lineage. There are 13 slokas in Sarga 72, if my memory serves me correctly. From 3 to 15, 13 slokas, Janaka Maharaja talks about his lineage starting from Nimi Chakravarti. Nimi Chakravarti ka suta hai Mithi. He built the city Mithila. He ends the name Mithila. Nimi Mithi Janakaha, Pratama Janakaha. Udavasu Nandivardhanaha Suketuhu Devarata. It is to Devarata. Devendra has given the Shiva Dhanushu Pinaka. Right, Devarata, Brigadrata, Mahavira, Sudriti, Drishtaketu, Haryashva, Maru, Pratindhaka, Kirtiratha, Dramidha, Vibhuda, Mahindraka, Kirtiratha, Maharoma, Swarnaroma, Graswaroma, Janakaha, Sita, Mahalakshmi, Swarupini, Sita. So this is how the lineage was talked. Then after Janaka talked about this lineage, Evam Bubruvanam Janakaha Pratyuvacha Kritanjali. Then after Vasishtha spoke about the lineage, Dasaratha listened patiently and then he said, Kritanjali, Srotum Argasi Badram Te Kulam Na Parikirtitam. Would you please, are you willing to listen to my lineage? Who talks? This is Rishi. Janaka says, Evam Bubruvanam Janakaha Pratyuvacha Kritanjali. Srotum Arghasi Badram Te Kulam Na Parikirtitim. Pradanehi Munisreta Kulam Niravasheshata. Bhaktavyam Kulajatena Tannibodha Mahamune. Raja Bhutu Trishulokesu Visrutaha Svena Karmana Nimi Paramadharmatma. He starts Nimi Paramadharmatma. Look at the beauty of the poetry. 70, 71, 72, 73. Must read. Char Sarga 18, 70, 71, 72, 73. Life will melt. Pratyaksha pal milta hai. I'm telling you from my own experience. Right. So Raja Bhutu Trishulokeshu Visrutaha Svena Karmana. Svena Karmana, because of his good deeds. Svena Atmana Karmana. Nimi Parama Dharma Atma Sarvasatvatvatam Varaha. Tasya Putro Mitir Nama Janako Miti Putraka. Pratamo Janaka. Then comes Pratama Janaka. Janaka 1, Janaka 2. So Sita's father is Janaka 2. So Pratamo Janako Nama Janaka. That Yudhavasuhu. Then came Yudhavasuhu. Maharom Romanastu Dharmatma. Then he talks. Then he comes to talk about Maharoma. Maharoma, Swarnaroma, Hrasvaroma, Janaka. So Sita's grandfather was Hrasvaroma. Great grandfather was Swarnaroma. We talk about it in Kali Yugam. We are very much we must have to think about 3 lineage of forefathers. Tasya Naptre, Tasya Pautraha, Tasya Putraha. Who is your great grandfather? Who is your grandfather? Who is your father? Of course, everybody knows father and grandfather, but we have to know about great-grandfather. That is what is stressed in these lineage. Maharom nastu dharmatma swarnaromo vyajayata swarnaromastu rajarshe raswaromo vyajayate. Very important to listen the names of these people. Maharomaha, Swarnaromaha, Hraswaromaha, Dasarataha, Kushadvajaha. Tasya putradvayam jagne dharmaksya mahatmanaha jeshtoham anujo brata mama veera Kushadvajaha. Mama veera Kushadvajaha. He is praising his brother. Jeshto am to jeshtahai. Mam tu jeshtam pita rajye so abhishincha naradipaha. Kushatvajam samaveshya bharam mahivanam gataha. He entrusted this Rajya, and then when time came, he took Vanaprastha and went to the forest. Kasyachit atakalasya shakam syayat agam purat sudhanva viryavan raja. Then he says, why did? Then you may ask, if these people are buddies, so affectionate brothers, why did Dasaratha send his brother to a desha called Shankasa? We talked about it. Shankasapuri. Kyom beja? Because there was an evil king called Sudhanva, against his name Sudhanva. There was an evil king called Sudhanva. Sudhanva Viryavan Raja Mithilam Avarodaka. He came and did bad things to Mithila. So to quell him and to quench him, I sent my brother. Who is he? He is a Dharmatma, but he is a Viryavan. Sachate me preshyamasa shaivam danuruttamam Sita kanya cha padmakshi mahyam vaidhiyatamiti. So I have talked about my lineage. As per my promise, Sachame preshayamasa. Preshayamasa means I am pushing. I'm going to push my daughter to you. In a word, I'm talking literally. So, Sachame preshayamasa shaivam danuruttamam Sita kanya cha padmakshi mahyam vaidhiyat. Padmakshi, she is Padmakshi, Padmalata. Beautiful. Her eyes are like lotus petals. Padmakshi. Sita kanya cha padmakshi mahyam vaidhiyatamiti. So I am going to give my daughter to you. Because I'm not just throwing my daughter away. I know your lineage. Your drama is 40th. Ramaya Ramabhadraya Ramachandraya Vedase Raghunathaya Nathaya. Until then he was only Raghu Kulottama. Now he is becoming who? Raghunathaya Nathaya Raghu Nathaha Asau Cha Iti Raghunathaha. He is not only Raghu, he is the king of the entire world. If you look at the Vyutpatti like that, Raghu Asau Nathaha Cha Iti Raghunathaha. Raghunathaha Sitayaha Pataye Namaha. From now on, this sloka is very apt. He is going to be Sitayaha Pati. Okay. Kaniyaneshu me brata aham jeshto mahamune dadhami paramaprito. Now comes the important part. Dadhami paramaprito vadhvau te munipungavau. Not only I want to give my elder daughter Sita to Rama, dvau, I am going to give my second daughter Urmila to Lakshmana. Dadhami paramaprito, that too with full heart. Beautiful phrases. इतना तो संस्कृत तो इतना मधुर है, मधुर वाणी. दधामि परम प्रीतो वध्वौ द्विवचनम वध्वौ ते मुनिपुंगवा सीता रामाय भद्रम ते ऊर्मिलाम लक्ष्मीणाय वै सीताम रामाय भद्रम. If you just say the word Rama and Sita, that will itself will give you Bhadram Mangalam. Sitam Ramaya Bhadram te Urmilam Lakshmanaya vai Virya Shulkam Mama Sutam Sitam Surasu Anupop. There is no par to this Rama. Dvitiyam Urmilam Chaiva Trirvadami Nasamsa. I am going to give one time Trirvadami. This is what we follow in Constitution. Trirvadami. I am going to give my daughter Sita to Rama. I am going to give my daughter Urmila to Lakshmana one time. I am going to give Sita Ma to Rama second time. I am going to give Sita Ma to Lakshmana third time. Trirvadhami na samsaya dadami paramaprito vadbhaute munipungava Rama Lakshmanayo Rajan Godanam. Then everything was fixed on the first day. So where was it? We are still in the month of Magh Mas. माघ मास में अंतिम श्रेणी में हूँ। कौन सा दिन तो विवाह होता है? विवाह तो फाल्गुनी मास में, उत्तर फाल्गुनी, मगम पूरम उत्तिरम। इफ यू टेक इन तमिल मगम पूरम उत्तिरम, सो मघ नक्षत्र पूर्व फाल्गुनी उत्तर फाल्गुनी, राइट? सो उत्तर फाल्गुनी से उत्तर फाल्गुनी के दिन, दैट मीन्स उत्तरा नक्षत्र में, फाल्गुनी मास में उत्तरा नक्षत्र में विवाह होता है। ये सभी संवाद तो माघ मास में अंतिम दिन, दैट मीन्स माघ मास में ही होता है। बिकॉज माघ से मगम, देन पूरम, देन उत्तिरम, पूर्व फाल्गुनी उत्तर फाल्गुनी। सो उत्तर फाल्गुनी तो पौर्णिमा का दिन है। चांद्रायन में उत्तर फाल्गुनी और पौर्णमी कौन सा दिन जुड़ता है? वही तो मास आरंभ है, दैट इज फाल्गुनी मास में। फाल्गुनी मास में उत्तर फाल्गुनी पौर्णमास से कब जुड़ता है? वही तो फाल्गुनी मास का आरंभ होता है। इसीलिए वो शुभ दिन में विवाह। सो 3 days बिफोर ऑल दीज थिंग्स हैव स्टार्टेड। सो व्हाट डिड दे ऑन द सेकंड डे, on the Purva Palguni day, on the Magh day, on the Magha Nakshatra day, Vasishta, Vishwamitra, Sadananda, Janaka, or Dasharatha, they all made all the preparations and all the paraphernalias were taken care. And then on the second day, they started doing Godhanu. So, Rama Lakshmanayo Rajan Godhanam Karayasvaha Pitrikaryam cha Bhadram te tato Vaivahikam Kuru. So they started doing Nandi Shraddh. That is very important. So Nandi Shraddh तो वही किया। कौन सा दिन? वो तो पूर्व फाल्गुनी दिन में यही सभी होता है, राइट? मगा ही अद्य महाभागो तृतीये दिवसे प्रभो। यू सी, दिस इज व्हाट इज स्टेटेड। मघा ही अद्य महाभागो तृतीये दिवसे प्रभो फाल्गुन्याम उत्तरे राजन् तस्मिन् वैवाहिकम कुरु। ब्यूटिफुल मैथ एंड मैथ एंड मैथ। सो अभी तो माघ नक्षत्र, देन पूर्व नक्षत्र, देन उत्तर नक्षत्र। माघ, पूर्व फाल्गुनी, उत्तर फाल्गुनी, सभी बात तो माघ नक्षत्र और पूर्व फाल्गुनी दिन से होता है। माघ ही, आज तो माघ है। सो आई सेड 3 days, आज तो माघ है। अद्य महाभागो तृतीये दिवसे प्रभु फाल्गुन्याम उत्तरे राजन् तस्मिन् वैवाहिकम कुरु राम लक्ष्मणयोर अर्थे दानम कार्यम सुखोदयम। So we will start doing all the dhanas. So even today in Sri Ranga, you would have known that Sri Ranga is very important kshetra for Sri Vaishnavas. Sri Ranga में एक ही दिन, साल में एक ही दिन नाच्य, द श्री रंग नायकी, श्री रंग माता और श्री रंगनाथ को जुड़वा होता है। एक आस्थान में मिलते हैं, वही एक दिन ही, वही तो उत्तर फाल्गुनी मास में उत्तर नक्षत्र में, क्योंकि वही दिन त्रेता युग में राम और सीता का विवाह हुआ। मगा ही अद्य महाभागो तृतीये दिवसे प्रभो फाल्गुन्याम उत्तरे राजन् तस्मिन् वैवाहिकम कुरु राम लक्ष्मणयो अर्थे दानम कार्यम सुखोदयम। So in the second day they all started doing all the dhan. Tamuktam Vaideham Visvamitro Mahamuni Uvacha Vachanam Viram Vasishta Sahito Nrupam. Always. So these two are big time people, Vasishta and Viswamitra. They always consult with each other. Achintyan Aprameyani Kulani Narapunga. Then Viswamitra comes. Viswamitra is a mediator. So Vishwamitra is a mediator. He not only represents Dasaratha, he also represents Janaka. So far, Dasaratha and Janaka were only planned for the Vivaha of Rama Lakshmana. Then Vishwamitra interjects. That is what it is. Achintyane aprameyani kulani narapungava. Vishwamitra says, Ichwakunam videhanam naisham tulyo asti kachana. He is very diplomatic. So he says there is no equivalence between there is nobody can match both the kula of Miti or Ichwaku. So there is no tulya. So why don't we elaborate? Why don't we expand this one? Sadrisho dharma sambandaha sadrisho rupa sampada Rama Lakshmana yo rajanne Sita cha urmilaya saha vaktavyam cha narashtreshta sruyatam vachanam mama bhrataha yaviyan dharmagyaha yesha raja kushatva. Yaviyan, younger brother, Kanishta. Yaviyan mane Kanishta. Brata yaviyan dharmajnaha yesha raja kutasas. Then comes beautiful. Gift horse keeps on giving. That was Vishwamitra. He came to unite Sita Ma with Rama. Then automatically Janaka wanted to give Urmila to Lakshmana. Now comes, okay, why don't I make this good? This is Mangalartham, Loka Hitartham. Sadrusho Dharma Sambandaha, Sadrusho Rupa Sampada. Rama Lakshmanayo Rajan, Sita cha Urmilaya Saha. What a beautiful anushtups. Vaktavyam cha narashreshta sruyatam vachanam mama brata yaviyan dharmajnaha yesha raja kushatvaja asya dharmatmano rajan rupena apratimam bhuvi sudadvayam sutadvayam. That's what I said. Reading and listening this sarga melts your heart. Sutadvayam narashreshta patnyartam varayamahe. I'm going to ask for the hands of Bharata Shatrugna, for Mandavi and Srutakirti. Until now, Valmiki did not mention the name of Kushatvaja's daughter. He is going to do it only once. Bharatasya Kumarasya Shatrugnasya Dhimataha Varaye me Sute Rajan Tayorate Mahamono. So he is asking for Ubayorapi Rajendra Sambandhe Anu Sambandhe Ubayorapi. We have to think about marrying those two kids as well. Itshwako Kulam Avyagram Bhavataha Punya Avyagram. There's no breakage. Avyagram. It is continuous. Sahakutumbam. It is like unison. It's been like that. So why don't we marry Kushatvaja's daughter with Dasaratha's other two sons? Vishwamitra Vachasrutva then comes. You see, these two people play. First, Vasishtha brought the lineage of Rama. Vishwamitra was quiet. Then Vishwamitra started interluding here. And then Vasishtha, he just also did Amodita. He also said yes. Vishwamitra Vachasrutva Vasishthasya Mate Tada. He became happy. Mate Tada. That time, Vasishtha also became happy. Janakaha Pranjalir Vakyam Uvacha Munipungava Kulam Dhanyamidam Manye Yesham Tau Munipungava. Then, when Vishwamitra said, Vasishtha also agreed. Imagine, there is no animosity between them. And fifth one is Gregorian calendar. Yes.
So now when you are talking about the Falguni Nakshatra and everything.
Yes. Why? You very apt. Why did they do that?
Can you explain?
Yes. Why? Because where are we? We are in Ayodhya. Ayodhya is what? Uttaradesh. Uttaradesh mein Chandrayana. Right? So it is always Shubha Muhurta should be followed according to Chandrayana. Pitrakarya is basically based on Sauramana. That is a general understanding. Shastra says all Pitrakaryas will be based on Sauramana, that too predominantly in Kerala and Tamil Nadu and West Bengal. But in entire place, if it is a function, Deepavali, Ramanavami, Sabhito, or all Shubha Karya, Sabhito Chandrayana se hota hai. So Chandramanasa, Palguni Nakshatra mein Uttara din, Judva din to Uttara. Then also I'm coming. Wait, give me a minute. Why did they choose this? Okay. Yekanha Rajaputrinam Chatasrunam Mahamune Panin Grinnantu Chatvaro Rajaputra Mahabala. Shubham. So, Yekanha Rajaputrinam Chatasrunam Mahamune Panin Grinnantu Chatvaro Rajaputra Mahabala. Okay, now, in one day, in one Anna, in one morning day, right, in a good Muhurta, Ekanna Rajaputrinam Chatasrunam Mahamune Panin Grinnantu Chatvaro Rajaputra Mahabala. Why did then? There is again, we discussed that it is because of Chandrayana. Chandrayana se Palguni Mas mein Uttara Nakshatra mein Vivag. There are three Sutrakaras say three important nakshatra for Vivag. One is Swati, another one is Mrigashirsha, another one is four nakshatra they talk: Rohini, Mrigashirsha, Swati and Uttara Palguni. If possible, these four nakshatras have to be chosen for Vivag: Rohini, Swati, Uttara Palguni and Mrigashirsha. So these are the 4 nakshatras. So in the month of Phalguni Masa, Uttara Nakshatra came upon the Vivaha of Sita or Rama. Paro dharma krito makhyam sishyosmi bhavato sada iman asan. Iman, you all take the seat now. Mukhyani asyatam munipungavo yata dasharata syeyam tata yodhya puri mama prabhutve nasti sandeho yata argham karstumarhata. Beautiful thing. Okay, then he says, hey Munipungavas. You see, the Kula Guru for Janaka was Sadananda. But what he says, he gives prominence to Vasishtha and Viswamitra. Hey Munipungava, you take the important seat and do the Agni Karya. I am of that opinion then. Dasaratha can take the lead. How beautiful, how Vishal Hridaya he. Ayam Ganana, Ayam Neti, Lagu Chetasam, Udahara Charitanam tu Vasuda Yeva Kutukam. That Shastra Vakya ka ullangan here hota hai. Kya says? Let Dasaratha consider this Mithila to be his home. Yata Dasaratayam tata Ayodhya Purim mama Puri. Let this Mithila be thought as if it is Ayodhya for Dasaratha. So he has free will to do whatever you want. Prabhutve nasti sandeho yatargam karstumarnada. Great art of living. Here and there. Valmiki Ramayana, Janman is not enough. Prabhutve nasti sandegaha. You be the king for this place. You be the leader. You do what you want. Prabhutve sandeho nasti. Don't keep any sandeh. You can handle anything. What a beautiful art of living. Yata dasharata syeyam tata ayodhya purimama. In 2 padas, in just 16 letters, how important art of living. It is hidden. When we rush through Ramayana, this gets lost. Yata dasharata syeyam tata ayodhya purimama. Prabhutve nasti sandeho yatargham karstumarhata. Yuvam asankeya gunau bhratarau mitileshwarau rishayo rajasangascha bhavat. These people have bounty of guna paripurna. Swasti, let mangalam be bhavatu. Swasti prapnuhi badram te gamishyamaha swamalayam. So they fixed in the 70th sarga the lineage of Dasaratha, 71st sarga the lineage of Janaka, 72nd sarga the fixing of marriage for all the 4 brothers with all the 4 sisters. So it was on Purva Phalguni day. Magha day may initial things started. Second day the Vivah got broadened with the fixing of the Vivah of Bharata or Shatrughna with Kushatwaja's daughter. Evening came. Then Dasaratha says, Swasti prapnuhi badram te. I am very pleased. Let be mangalam everywhere. Mangalam bhavatu. Swasti prapnuhi badram te gamishyamaha. We will all go and take rest now. Sayam sandhi karke will go to Gamishyamaha, plural, bahuvachanam. Gamishyamaha swamalayam, will go to our place. Shraddha karmani vividvat vidayaste chabravit. Tomorrow morning I'll finish the Nandi. Dasaratha says, Shraddha karmani kasardha karmani vidivat vidayastyeti chabravit sagatva nilayam raja shraddham kritva vidanata. So you have to remember 4 fathers. Pitru ko man mein aur vach mein you have to remember them. So Nandi Muhurt wo karta hai. Prabhate kalyam uttaya chakre godanam. After they did Nandi, they did lot of godana. 400,000 cows were gifted by Dasaratha. So the importance of Pitrus, the importance of time, the importance of go, everything in 3 days Valmiki pushes them in beautiful. Gavam Shata Sahasram. 100,000. So that's why Gujarat and Mathura mein itna go samruddhi. Gavam Shata Sahasram che Brahmanebhyo Naradipaha Ekaikasho. For each brother, Ekaikasho Dhadau Raja Putran Uddhishya Dharmataha. For each person, for Rama 100,000 cows. Not only cows, he says cows are given with along with their swarna. Then they also gave the vessel to drain the milk. Right? He also gave that for special metal. He made those vessels using special metal so that the milk doesn't get spoiled. Swarna Shringa Sampanna Savatsaha. See, Swarna Shringa. The horns were all covered with Swarna. Swarna Shringa Sampanna, with lot of other monies. Savatsaha, along with calves. Kamsya Dohana. Kamsya means metal. Duhina, Dohana Patra. The one, the thing that is made out of a special metal. You see, Kamsya Dohana Gavam Shatasasrani Chatvari Purushashava. 400,000 cows were gifted. Vittaman Yacha Subahu Dvijebhyo Raghunandana Dadau Godanam Uddishya Putra Vatsalaha Yasmin Sudivasera. On the third day, on the beautiful dawn of Uttara Palguni, Yasminsu Divase Raja Chakre Godanam Uttamam Tasminsu Divase Shure Yujatit Samupya Ivan. The same day, when Dasaratha was doing this Godana, Bharata's uncle, maternal uncle, Yudhajit came from Kaikeya Rajyam. Ataraja Dasaratha Priyatitim Upastitam Drishtvaha Paramasatkaraihi Pujargan Samupujyat. So there's only one mention here about maternal mama. Mama to itna bahut badhiya hai Hindu Sanatana Dharma mein. So because mama has to come when the wedding is happening, the Prathama Sakshi apart from Devata is mama. So that is the reason all of a sudden Yujadit comes. He didn't know that Dasaratha was going to get his sons wedded. Everything happened quickly. Kadachit. Tak. So, Atharaja Dasharataha Priyatitim Upastitam Drishtva Paramasatkaraihi Pujargam Samapujayat. Then, on the particular day of Muhurtam, the things are going to happen. Vasishta Bhagavanetya Vaideham Itamabravit Raja Dasharato Rajan Kritakautukam Mangalaihi. Then, after he gave all the satkara to Mama ko kush karke, then the Vivah is going to start. Vasishta leads the procession. Vasishta Bhagavanetya. He is like a god. Who is Vasishta? Mera gotra to Vasishta hai, you will see it. Ram ka gotra. Vasishta Maitra Varana Kaundanya. Hamara gotra bhi Vasishta Maitra Varana Kaundanya. Mera to atna bhagya hai. Vasishta Bhagavanetya Vaideham Idamabravit. Vasishta speaks on the day of Vivaha. Raja Dasharatho Rajan Kritakautukamangalai. He had done all the Nandi, he had done all the Sraddha, he had done the Godana, and the kids have done the Samavartana Yaga. They did because they finished teaching, so they are now adapting Grihastha Asrama. Datru Pratigrihitryabhyam Sarvartha Sambhavanti. Here, see, this is the beauty. In the world, there again Vasishta says, beautiful. This is basically Arthasastra. Maybe Chanakya found from this. In the world, understand every action, for every action, as Newton says, reaction. That's a different thing. But Vasishta says, in this world, if something has to happen, there should be somebody who gives and somebody takes. So, Datru Pratigrahitribhyam Dratru Pratigrahitribhyam Sarvartaha. For all the activity, there is somebody Datru who gives, and somebody Pratigrahit, somebody takes it. So that is what is happening. But it is a great dana. The dana you are doing is a Kanya dana. Datru Pratigrahitribhyam Sarvartaha Sambhavanti. It happens, It's like a pass-by statement. Look. Datru Pratigrahitribhyam Sarvartaha Sambhavanti Swadharma Pratipadyasva Kritva Vaivahyam Uttamam. We will do according to what is described. So there are 8 different Vivaha. Brahmana Vivaha, Devata Vivaha, Harsha Vivaha. Then it comes to Prajapatya Vivaha, then Ashura Vivaha, then Rakshasa Vivaha, then Gandharva Vivaha. Likewise. So Ramaka Vivakto, Devata, but Valmiki makes it a point that he is Manushya. So Prajapatyartam, Dharmartham Prajapatyartam. Rama married for Dharmartham eva. He didn't say it is a Brahmana Vivaha, he didn't say it is a Devata Vivaha, he didn't say it is a Harsha Vivaha, he didn't say it as a Gandharva Vivaha. He did not. Because Krishna Rukmini was Gandharva Vivaha. whereas he is not. He is a prajapatyartham, for dharmartham, like us. Manusham manye. So it is like a man marrying for dharma prajartham vrinimahe. So that is Satyoham tvad pratikshosmi vedyam asyam pratishtitaha avignam kurutam raja kimartam hi. So let us not wait time. Proper muhurta has come. So we will marry these Purush with these Kanyas immediately because the time has come. Avignam kurutam raja kimartam hi vilambyate tadvakyam janakenoktam shrutvaha dasharatastada praveshyama sasutan sarvan rishigananapi. Then comes Rama, Lakshmana, Bharata, Satrughna. So they all come. Everybody was happy. So how does this happen? Beautiful. We'll go and see some beautiful poetry here. Srimad Akilanda Kodi Brahmanda Bhanda Dando Padanda Mandala Sando Deepita Suguna Nirgunatita Sachidananda Paratpara Taraka Brahmakya Dashadisha Prakasham. So Parabrahma भद्राचल रामदास ने ये तो लिखा. ये गद्य का भद्राचल रामदास स्वामी ने prison में, when he was in prison, he thinks about this Rama and he says, how did this vivah happen? Srimad Akilanda Koti Brahmanda Bhanda Dandotpadhanda Mandala Sandodipita Suguna Nirgunatita. The flow of language. Sachidananda Paratpara Taraka Brahmakya Dasadisha Prakasham. It was all Jyoti everywhere. Dasadisha Prakasham. Sakala Chara Charadhisham Kamala Sambhava Sachidava Pramukha Nikila Brindaharaka Brindavadhyamana Sandipta Divya Charanaravindam. Rama walks Divya Charanaravindam. Shri Mukundam, he is none other than Lord Mukunda. Imagine, he talks about Lord's name, rhyming. Dushta Nigraha Sishta Paripalanotkata Kapata Nataka Sutra Charitranchita Bahuvidavataram. It is Maya. Bahuvidavataram. Sri Raghuviram. Kausalya Dasharata Manorathananda Kandhalita Niruda Krida Vilolana Shaishavam Sri Keshavam. Vishwaha, all that this thing until marriage is using in such a play, words play. Vishwamitra Yajna Kausalya Dasharata Manorathananda Kandhalita Niruda Krida Vilolana Shaishavam Sri Keshavam. Mukundam Raghuviram Keshavam. Count the name. Vishwamitra Yajna Vigna Karanautkata Tatakachara Subahu Bahu Bala Vidhanala Bhana Pravina Parayanam Sriman Narayanam. Because Sita is going to be christened as Sri Mahalakshmi. So this gentleman should be Sri Narayanan. Bhadrachala Swami says, Nijapada Jalajada Gana Sparshaniya Shila Rupa Shapa Vikrita Gautama Sati Vinuta Mahidavam Sri Madhavam. Because he is going to marry Sita, so he is a Madhavan. Mayaha Davaha Yasya Saha Madhavaha. Kandendudara Prachanda Kodanda Kandanodhanda Godanda Kaushika Lochanotsava. Because Vishwamitra want to see, he want to rejoice. Kaushika Lochanotsava, Lochana Utsava, Vivahu Utsava. Kodanda Kaushika Lochanotsava Janaka Chakreshwara Samarpita Sita Vivahotsava Anandam. Sita Vivahotsava Anandam. Yam Sita Mamasuta Sahadharma Charitava Praticha Chainam Bhadram Te Panim Grinishva Panina. Kaun Sahai Sita Ma, Kaun Sahai. Angirasayasya Gautama Trayarisheya Paravanvita Gautama Gautrodbhavam Nimi Vamsodbhavasya Swarnaroma Maharaja Varmano Naptrim. See the Pravaranam. Who is Sita? Angirasa Ayasya Gautama Trayarishe. Angirasa Ayasya Gautama Trayarishe Yapravaranvita Gautama Gotrodbhavam निमि वंशोद्भवस्य स्वर्णरोम महाराज वर्मणो नप्त्रीं ह्रस्वरोम महाराज वर्मणः पौत्रीं जनक महाराज वर्मणः पुत्रीं सीतां नाम्नीं. This has to be recited with uccha swara. People have to listen. So there is no, everybody knows who is who. So if now they say no, if you have anything else, speak up. That's what it is. Janaka Maharaja Varmana Putrim Sita Namnim Mahalakshmi Swarupini. Beautiful. Mahalakshmi Swarupini Imam Kanyam Vasita Maitravarana Kaundanya Trayarishe Pravaranvitaha Vasita Godrodbhavaya Srimad Yitshvaku Vamshodbhavasya Nabhaga Maharaja Varmano Naptre. Nabhaga, great grandfather. Aja Maharaja Varmana Pautraya Dasharatha Maharaja Varmana Putraya Sri Ramachandra Varmane Mahavishnu Swarupaya Varaya Vrinimahe. Angirasa Ayasya Gautama Trayarsheya Pravaranvita Gautama Godrodbhavam Nimi Vamsodbhavasya Swarnaroma Maharaja Varmano Naptrim Raswaroma Maharaja Varmana Pautrim Janaka Maharaja Varmana Putrim Sita Namnim Mahalakshmi Swarupinim Imam Kanyam Vasita Maitravarana Kaundinya Trayarisheya Pravaranvita Vasita Godrodbhavaya Srimad Yitshvaku Vamshodbhavasya Nabhaga Maharaja Varmano Naptre Aja Maharaja Varmana Pautraya Dasharatha Maharaja Varmana Putraya Sri Ramachandra Varmane Mahavishnu Swarupaya Varaya Vrinimaye. Kanyam Kanaka Sampannam Sarvabharana Bhushitam Dasyami Vishnave Tubhyam Brahmaloka Jijishaya. Kanyam Kanaka Sampannam Sarvabharana Bhushitam Dasyami Vishnave Tubhyam Brahmaloka Jijishaya. Viswambara Sarvabhutaha Sakshinya Sarvadevataha Imam Kanyam Pradasyami Pitrunam Taranaya Cha Iyam Sita Mama Suta Sahadharmatari Tava Praticha Chainam Bhadram Te Panim Grinishva Panina. Why did I do the Vivah? Pitrunam Taranaya Cha. Viswambaraha, she is the one who is carrying the world, Mata, Loka Mata. Vishwambaraha Sarvabhutaha Sakshinyaha Sarvadevataha Imam Kanyam Pradasyami Pitrunam Taranaya Cha Iyam Sita Mama Suta Sakadharmacharitava Praticha Chainam Bhadram Te Panim Grinishvaparana Iti Mantrena Janakaha Mandasmitam Sitam Shobana Mantrakshata Hiranyodaka Dhara Sahitam Sri Ramachandra Kararavinde Samarpayamasa. Iti Mantrena Janakaha Mantasmitam Sitam, she was blooming. Mantasmitam Sitam Shobana Mantrakshata Hiranyodaka Dhara Sahitam Sri Ramachandra Kararavinde Samarpayamasa. Sita Kalyana Vaibhogame Rama Kalyana Vaibhogame Pavanaja Stuti Patra Pavana Charitra Ravisoma Varanetra Ramaniya Gatra Sita Kalyana Vaibhogame Bhakta Jana Paripalaya Bharita Sharajala Bhukti Mukti Dalila Bhudeva Pala Sita Kalyana Vaibhogame Mangalyam Tantuna Nena Loka Rakshana Hetuna Kanterpayami Shubhage Trailokyam Mangalam Kuru. Why did this vivah happen? Mangalyam Tantuna Nena Loka Rakshana Hetuna, for the welfare of this world. Loka Rakshana Hetuna Kanterpayami Shubhage Trailokyam Mangalam Kuru. Mangalyam Tantuna Nena Mama Jivana Hetuna. We say Mama Jivana Hetuna, but we are offering this to Lokamata. Kyonki Loka Rakshana Hetuna Kanterpayami, we are offering Kanterpayami, Kante Arpayami, Shubhake, Trailokyam Mangalam Kurum, Agora Chakshu, Apadnyedi, Shivapatibhyaha, Sumana, Suvarchasa, Jiva Surdeva Kama, Syona Shanno Bhavadvipade, Chanchatushpade. So Vivag has happened. Then, most important, yet the Vivag is not authenticated yet. The Vivag has happened. So, what did they say? Vasishtha says, Hey Ram, hold the 5 fingers of Sita Ma tightly. And then you do the Satpidi, you do the Agni Pradakshana Karo. Ekamishe Vishnutvan Vetu, Dve Urje Vishnutvan Vetu. This is the authentication of Vivaha, Saptapati. Ekamishe Vishnutvan Vetu, Dve Urje Vishnutvan Vetu, Trini Vrataya Vishnustvan Vetu, Chatvari Mayo Bhavaya Vishnutvan Vetu, Panchapashubhyah Vishnutvan Vetu, Shadrutubhyah Vishnutvan Vetu, Sakha Saptapada Bhava, Sakayau Saptapada Babhuva, Sakyam Te Gameyam. This is Veda. So, you have married, you took the hand of Sita. So this, then you walk the first step around Agni. So this unison, this great unison, let it give first prosperity, Ishe. Bring lot of positiveness first. This is the important mantra. Ekam Ishe, Ishe means prosperity, valor, strength. Vishnutva, may the Lord Vishnu support you, because Sita or because any Patni is coming to the husband's house. The first step she takes, let it give prosperity. Ekamishe Vishnutvan Vetu. Let Lord Vishnu be with you, because this girl has come to your house to give prosperity. Second, Dve Urje, health. Urja means strength. Let the second step, when she takes the second step, let health and happiness come. Dve Urje Vishnutvan Vetu, Trini Vrataya. Let all the positive things happen. Vrat. Let them do all the positive things. The third step is the significance that this lady and this gentleman will together do all the positive things, like raising the kids, taking care of parents, taking care of Gomata, taking care of Sashyam. Trini Vrataya Vishnutvan Vetu, Chatvari Mayo Bhavaya. Let them be affectionate. Mayo Bhavati. Let this girl be in affection with the son. Let the son be in affection. Chatvari Mayo Bhavaya Vishnutvan Vetu Panchapashubhyaha. Let this unison take care of all the 2-legged animals, 4-legged animals like us, like Devarji, Nanandi, Sabi. Right? We are all animals yet. So let this unison prosper and nurture the 2-legged animals in the house. Panchapashubhyaha Vishnutvan Vetu Shadrutabhyaha. Let them take care of all the things that has to be done in time. Ritubhyaha, whatever it has to be done in time, let it be done. Let this unison do things. If they have to take the father-in-law to the hospital on time, do it. Annual checkup. Shadritubhyaha Vishnutvan Vetu. If these activities are done, this is the beauty. No other Vivag tells this. Saptas Sakha Saptapada. When they take the 7th steps, Ram and Sita are friends. Mili and her Abhi are friends. Sakha Saptapada Bhava Sakayau. You both are friends. Yau, Dvivachan. Sakayau Saptapada Bhavuva Sakyam Te Gameyam. This is Vivah. Iyam Sita Mama Suta Sagadharma Charitava Pratitya Chainam Badram Te Panim Grinishva Panina. They married. They took the vow, that is the Saptapadi, Agni Sakshi. Agni ko Sakshi mankar Vidhivat Vivah kiya. Shataya Swahetyaha Shatayurvai Purushas Shataviryaha Ayureva Viryam Avarundhe Sahasraya Swahetyaha Ayurvai Sahasram Ayureva Varundhe Sarvasmai Swahetyaha aparimithameva varunde. All the rishis use Ashwamedha. This mantra comes in Ashwamedha. Beauty. Sanatana Dharma mein itna pearls hai. Shataya swahetyaha. Let us all live for 100 and 100 years more. Not just living unhealthy. What did they say? They ayureva viryama varunde. With health, with strength. Right. Sahasraya swahetyaha ayurvai sahasram ayureva varundhe. Navo navo bhavati jayamanonnam keturushasa medyagre bhagam devebhyo vidata tyayan prachandrama sthirati dheergamayuhu. So everybody celebrated the event. How did this event happen? 3 days Vivah. Sita got wedded to Rama. Dharma prajartam vrinimahe. For dharma. Ata janaka nripatihi manorata maharnava parangatva paramananda jaladauhu magnaha jagatchakshuhu. Beautiful. How did this vivah happen? Rhyming. Atha janaka nripatihi manorata maharnava parangatva paramananda jaladau magnaha jagatchakshuhu kulabhushanasya jagatraya samrakshana dikshitasya nata jana kalpataroho sri kodanda diksha guroho vivaha mahotsavaya sulagne savadhana. So muhurte savadhana. How did this happen? Chitirata vara purita manorata bhagirata vamsajatam atirata maharata prithivipati vanditam dasharata maharajam rata gaja turapadadi sahitam samantri purohitam suputra kalatra saparivaramānāya satkritya vivaha mahotsavaya. Nana vida kratrumuka na. What all the fruits they served? Nana vida kratrumuka nalikera rambhadi palayukta sahasra kumbastamba bhushite jambhari chirakanshite vivaha mahotsavaya. Paripurna manorata paramamoda paura bhakta jana paramasparakrita sallape sakala jana manohara lape kirita kavacha kundala. How did they ornament themselves? That's why I came dressed. Normally I do. Kirita kavacha kundala keyura nupura muktahara vibhushita nanavida mrudula chitrasanasta nana deshagata rajavaryat brinde lochananande vivaha mahotsavaya. What can we say about these kavis? Nanavida swarna pushna stabhaka koti devtiyamana malaya. What all the flowers? Malaya chandana guru gugulu gogrudadi parimala vastu guma gumayamana sabantare guma gumayamana sabantare nirantara manikachita mukura parampare. Very 18 different vadhya were used. Bheri mridanga maddala kahala dundubi turya tumburu veena venu muruja mangaga dindimi damaruka jajjari jhallari dhavala shanka. The white conch dhavala shanka panava pataha adhyashtadasa panava ashtadasa panavadhyashtadasa vadya ghosha santata shabdayamana sakala diganantare narada tumburu veena gana manohara vivaha utsavaya. Savatsago sahasraneka koti hiranya vastrabharana mumo bhudana bahumana santoshita patra bhuta ubaya sambandhi rajasreshta vamsavali nama gotra pravaranochara. Ubaya sambandhi nama gotra pravaranochara. Vamshavali nama gotra pravaranocharan nipuna vasita vamadev Vishwamitra Sadanandadi sakala munigana sankirna vivaha vedika madhye mahotsavaya. Krita vividavat vividastava siddha maharshi sanke abjabhava vishnubhava adityagana sapta marud ashtavasu yakshajana siddhagana rudragana dikpati kula pramadi vihita mitra kula ratna suguna stava samasta prashasta birudastoma ninade nirasta danadhendra birude. Everybody were given gifts. Sankan sankrandanadhyamara brindava kiryamana mandara pramukha नंदनवन कुसुम निववर्षे नवरत्न खचित कनक मंडपे किंचितारब्धे तारुण्यम नत जनैक कारुण्यम विदलित महेश चापम परिहृत मुनि जनतापम why this vivag happened लोकरक्षार्थम भानुकुल रत्न ब्यूटिफुल भानुकुल सूर्यवंश भानुकुल रत्न प्रदीपम संपूरित भक्त जनकामम सजल जलधर श्यामम सकल लोकाभिरामम श्रीरामम सन्निवेशे राम came to wed केतकी चंपक मल्लिका कुसुमाद्यलंकत नीलाल कवेणीं कलहंस गामिनीं how is सीता कलहंस गामिनीं करुणावलोकिनीं he is beautiful करुणा अनर्घ मणि किंचित अनर्घ मणि कचित हेमनिष्क कंटीं स्वरजित कलकंटीं आटक मणिमय ताटकालंकत कपोलां अगणित कल्याण गुणशीलां अरविंद सुंदर मंदहासमुखीं श्री रघुनंदनाभिमुखीं सीतां सन्निवेश्य विवाह महोत्सवाय किंचितारब्धतारुण्यं नत जनैक कारुण्यं विदलित महेश चापं परिहृत मुनि जनतापं भानुकुल रत्न प्रदीपं संपूरित भक्त जनकामं सजल जलधर श्यामं सकल लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं सन्निवेश्य केतकी चंपक मल्लिका कुसुमाद्यलंकत नीलाल कवेणीं कलहंसगामिनीं करुणावलोकिनीं अनर्घमणि कचित हेमनिष्क कंटीं स्वरजित कलकंटीं हाटक मणिमय ताटकालंकत कपोलां अगणित कल्याण गुणशीलां अरविंद सुंदर मंदहासमुखीं श्री रघुनंदनाभिमुखीं सीतां च सन्निवेश विवाह महोत्सवाय इयं कन्यां मम सुतां सहधर्मचरितवा प्रतीच्छ चैनं भद्रं ते पाणिं गृह्णीष्व पाणिना मांगल्यं तन्तुनानेनां लोकरक्षणहेतूनां कण्ठेऽर्पयामि शुभके त्रैलोक्यं मंगलं कुरु पवमान सुतुडु पट्टु पादार विंदमुలకు నీ నామ రూపములకు నిత్య జయ మంగళం వాసిష్ఠ మైత్రావరణ కౌండన్య త్రియారిషే ప్రవరాన్వితః आपस्तंभ सूत्र यजुशाखाध्यायी कौंडन्य गोत्रोद्भवस्य शेषाद्रि सर्मानामाहम् अस्मि भोः मंगलं भवतु सांग्रहण्येष्ट्या यजते इमां जनतागुं संगृह्णानीति द्वादशारत्नीरसना भवति द्वादशमासात् संवत्सरः संवत्सरमेवावरुन्धे मौञ्झी भवति ऊर्ध्वैमुञ्जाः ऊर्ध्वमेवावरुन्धे चित्रा नक्षत्रं भवति चित्रं वा एतत्कर्म यदस्वमेधः समृद्ध्यैः सर्वस्यात्यै सर्वस्य जित्यै सर्वमेव तेनाप्नोति सर्वं जयतु सप्रत सभां मे गोपाय ये च सभ्या सभासदः तानिन्द्रियावतः कुरु सर्वमायुरुपेशताम् अहे बुद्धियमन्त्रं मे गोपाय यं ऋषयस्त्रैविदा विदुः ऋषः सामानि यजुगुंषि सा हि श्रीः अमृता सतां मंगलं कौसलेन्द्राय मगनीय गुणाब्दये चक्रवर्ती तनूजाय सार्वभौमाय मंगलं मंगलं भवतु सर्वे जनाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त सन्मंगलानि सन्तु शुभं हरिः ओम्।